Hey, I just wanted to take a minute here and make a short video because Pluralsight is doing a really big affiliate promotion for the next week. Starting today, which will be Monday, and it will end on Sunday, you'll be able to get an annual subscription for Pluralsight for only $200. So you get 12 months of Pluralsight for $200, which if you are a Pluralsight subscriber, you know that's a huge savings. At the current monthly cost, so $30 a month, it would normally cost you $360 for an annual subscription, and if you buy Pluralsight annually right now, it's $300 for the year. And for this week only, you can get it for $200 for the year, and it's only offered through affiliates like me. So there'll be a link in the description of this video if you want to take advantage of it. And yeah, so I just want to make a short video, let you guys know, because if you do watch my courses, if you're going to watch my courses on Pluralsight, then this is definitely worth taking advantage of. I'm planning on making courses full-time for the next year, so at least a course a month will be coming out from me. So if you do watch my courses, and you're going to be watching my courses, then it's definitely worth taking advantage of this. Basically, you get 12 months for the cost of what it would have been about 6.5 months. So some pretty big savings. But yeah, so I'd let you know, and I'll see you next time.